Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to bring in this critical update for Bitcoin today. Now today we talked about Bitcoin and the potential of a fake out of an ascending triangle, right? So here we are, and I do remember making this triangle for you, explaining that there could be a down breakdown and then a fake out to the upside. So listen to this. Yes, it could be a fake out and you continue with Bitcoin. And then when you have this ascending triangle, you break to the downside, wait for the retest. Yes, it could be a fake out and you continue to the upside. Right, simple, very simple. So basically right now I'm just going to bring in this chart in here again. And for me, that was a fake out. And this is the reason why I'm actually bringing this one on time. So now the technical target out of this ascending triangle, because that's not going to play out when because you're potentially now putting in a double bottom, right, like this one, and you're breaking out of that particular breakdown. Actually, let me open up Bitcoin into a hobby chart, and here we are with the hobby. This is what I'm talking about. So exactly as I was telling you, I do expect fake outs. It has happened before, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so the view to the downside this time is being cancelled. The volume that I was talking about is actually kicking in. Do you see that volume spike? Now the volume spike is actually good, because I'm gonna tell you the next technical target out of this one. So this candlestick actually closes in the next 34 minutes. So basically, if you actually close above here, and this is going to confirm into the next candlestick as well. So now you're putting in a nice double bottom, and you're actually respecting the ascending triangle. So here we are with this technical target from the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out to the upside. So Bitcoin is actually looking to go to $44,000 or the $43,000, and that would actually mean that this was your bottom, and that's it finally, and you're not gonna go to the downside. So hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new update. Allah Hafiz.